Hi, welcome to Kelly's Cookout. In today's episode, we're making easy baked beans and Bannock. These are two classic camp recipes that with just a little bit of prep at home are super easy to make. Let's begin. At home, prep the Bannock mix, shortening, and extra flour. At camp, add the Bannock mix and shortening to a bowl and mix with your hands until crumbly. Slowly add the water and stir until the dough starts to form. Knead a few times to form a ball and add more flour if the dough is too sticky. Flatten the dough into a thick pancake, about 1/2 inch thick. To cook the Bannock, you'll need a stove, a frying pan, and some oil. Add just enough oil to cover the bottom of the frying pan. Cook the Bannock over medium-low heat, 10 minutes per side. You're looking for a nice golden brown color, just not black. Turn the heat off and set aside while you make the beans. Into a pot, add 2 cans baked beans, about 2/3 cup ketchup or barbecue sauce, and about a teaspoon of mustard. Stir. Heat. And serve. If you'd like to see the full written version of the recipe, check out the video description. If you make the recipe, we'd love to know about it, so comment down below. And if you take a picture and post it on one of your socials, please tag Camping with the Coles. Happy cooking, happy camping.